Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Cooking with Maryann, and today we are going to make something that is perfect for a nice cold winter's day. It is Iowa corn chowder. First, we're going to start off with a pound of maple bacon. Never go wrong with bacon. Okay, so I know a lot of you diehards are going to say, make the bacon crispy, it has to be crispy, and that's great for other things, but this is never going to leave the pan, so this is going to be just fine. Now we're going to add the chicken to it, and I have 3 chicken breasts all diced up, ready to go. Don't worry if your pan starts to turn brown at the bottom. We're going to do this amazing deglazing after this. It's going to be no problem. Just as long as it's not burnt, brown is fine. Alright, so our chicken and bacon are cooked. Now I'm going to add some chopped celery in it. This is 3 stalks of celery with the leaves as well. Let me give that a quick stir. Then we're going to add, I've got 3 medium-sized potatoes, baking potatoes. I've just peeled them and diced them up into bite-sized pieces. And we'll add that one in there too. Got 1 can of corn that I have run through and pureed. If you'd rather use creamed corn, you can. You can dump in a can of creamed corn. I just like it this way. It's up to your preference, really. But this is 1 can. And that's really important, so it helps thicken this up as a chowder. And I've got 1 can of just regular whole corn pieces. And that is drained. Okay, we're going to put enough milk in it just to reach about even with the top. Right about there. Until the potatoes cook all the way through. Give that a quick stir. I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of chicken bullion. I like to use the powder, it's got extra herbs and spices in it. All the colors, all the flavors. I'm going to cover this over, and we're just going to let it simmer until those potatoes are done. So we just covered it up, and we're going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes until those potatoes are done. Alright, our potatoes are done. It looks and smells amazing. I'm going to add in about, I'd say about 2 tablespoons, maybe a third of parsley, dried parsley. Give it some more pop of color. And then we're going to thicken it up with some heavy cream right here. I'm going to eyeball this, but I think I've done about a half a cup just now. Alright, so all that's left to do now is to thicken it up. So I have here about 1/4 a cup of flour. This is a half a cup, so I've added slowly some milk and mixed it in there to make kind of a slurry. And we're going to dump this in and thicken up. We probably won't use the whole thing, but you know, you want to be prepared. And you make sure that you mix it with cold milk or water beforehand. Flour does not mix directly into hot things, so if you try and mix the flour in here, that's the reason why we're doing this. You'll get clumps of flour. That's not good eating. So there, we're thickening it. There we go. Now you can feel it getting thick. Smells amazing. Looks amazing. It's gonna taste amazing too. Okay. Let's put this in a bowl, cool it down, and eat it. It smells amazing. Oh, this is so perfect for a cold winter's night. This is my favorite. You can do them in bread bowls. You can do them just plain. It's great with a piece of homemade bread to sop up all that extra juice. It's amazing. That's perfect. That's perfect. I'm gonna go eat this because there's nothing left to say.